Woot App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how shopping apps have evolved in 2025. Woot offers daily deals, flash sales, and a wide range of products at discounted prices, but is it worth using regularly? The surprising truth is convenience. Most people get this wrong by assuming online deals are limited or low quality. Woot curates products across electronics, home goods, and lifestyle items, often at prices significantly below retail. The app's daily deals and flash sales create a sense of urgency, encouraging shoppers to grab bargains quickly. Another advantage is simplicity. You won't believe what happens next when you see Woot's clean interface and easy checkout process. Browsing deals, checking product details, and making purchases takes just a few taps, and free shipping options make shopping even more convenient. Woot also offers a membership called Woot Plus, providing early access to deals and exclusive discounts. This can be a great benefit for frequent shoppers looking to maximize savings. However, there are cons. Inventory can sell out quickly, which may frustrate shoppers who hesitate. Some products are refurbished or open box, so it's important to read descriptions carefully. Additionally, limited return policies on certain items require attention before purchasing. In conclusion, the Woot app in 2025 is ideal for deal hunters who enjoy a variety of products at discounted prices and don't mind acting fast. While stock limitations and product conditions are considerations, the app's convenience, daily deals, and potential savings make it a valuable tool for savvy online shoppers.